Have you ever wondered how to impress your crush? By watching this video, you will learn some of the best ways to impress your crush and make them like you, even if you don't think you're the type. And if you stay until the end, we'll share a powerful bonus tip that can really make them fall for you. So, if you're excited, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. Have you ever displayed your skills and talents to your crush? Everyone has something they are proud of, so use it to your advantage. Whether it's playing an instrument, excelling in sports, or having a unique hobby, showcasing your talents is a fantastic way to impress your crush. It demonstrates confidence and a willingness to try new things, which is always attractive. So the next time you see your crush, make sure to show how amazing you are. You will definitely leave a lasting impression. Number 2. Have you ever tried to be someone you're not just to impress your crush? Remember, it's important to always be yourself. You might think you need to change your appearance, behavior, or speech to make them like you, but this is usually not true. In fact, trying too hard to be someone else can often have the opposite effect and turn them off. So, just be yourself and focus on showing your crush how wonderful you are just as you are. Number 3. Do you give compliments to your crush? It's important to be genuine and not go overboard. Compliments can make anyone feel good, whether you are praising their looks, personality, or something else. Speak from the heart and express your true feelings, but don't overdo it. If every conversation ends with a compliment about how amazing they are, it may start to feel insincere. Be mindful of how often you compliment them, and make sure it feels natural. Number 4. Have you ever treated your crush like a celebrity? It's important not to put them on a pedestal, as this could make you seem overly eager. Instead, try to keep things relaxed and treat them like a regular person. Finding the right balance between showing interest and having your own life is key to making a good impression. This will demonstrate confidence and independence rather than appearing needy or desperate. Number 5. Have you ever felt nervous or excited around your crush? Remember, rushing things can be overwhelming. Take your time to truly get to know them before making any big moves. The more you understand your crush, the better chance you have to impress them. Number 6. Do you ever find yourself constantly seeking the attention of your crush? It's important to give them space and respect their boundaries instead of begging for their attention. This will show that you have other priorities and can help avoid making them feel overwhelmed or avoid you. Number 7. Have you ever wondered why we have one mouth and 2 ears? It's because we should listen more than we speak. This is important to keep in mind, especially when trying to impress someone. According to psychology, people are more likely to like someone who listens and takes an interest in what they say. So, the next time you're around your crush, focus on listening more than speaking. Do you agree that listening more than speaking can make a big difference in impressing someone? We'd be thrilled to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Number 8. Do you enjoy laughing at their jokes? One of the best ways to show your crush that you like them is by laughing at their jokes. This simple gesture can make them feel valued and show that you are interested in what they have to say. If you find their humor funny, it will surely leave a positive impression. Number 9. Do you show your true personality when they first meet you? When your crush meets you for the first time, they will judge you based on your actions and words. If you want to make a good impression, it's crucial to show your true self. For instance, if you are usually shy and quiet, don't pretend to be outgoing just to impress them. It's better to be authentic and allow them to see the real you. If they don't like the real you, they are not worth your time and energy. If you feel inclined, consider hitting the like button and sending a super thank to help us keep going. Your generosity allows us to continue creating valuable content for you. Number 10. Do you often try to find common ground with your crush? In many studies, it has been found that discovering shared interests is a great way to make a good impression. By showing your crush that you are interested in getting to know them better, you can establish a deeper connection. One way to find common ground is by asking your crush about their hobbies or interests. This not only helps you learn more about them, but also demonstrates your genuine interest in what they have to say. Remember to be honest and true to yourself when finding common ground with your crush. Avoid saying or doing things just to impress them. Number 11. Have you ever asked your crush to do a small favor for you? Research shows that people are more likely to like someone if they do them a favor. So, if you want to impress your crush, try asking them for a simple favor. It could be something like holding your bag for a moment or getting you a pencil when you forget yours. Just make sure it's something easy to do. Remember to offer to return the favor if possible. Showing this kind of effort will demonstrate how much you care and also help you get to know your crush better. It will make them feel special too. Number 12. Do you smile and make eye contact when you see your crush? Did you know that smiling is one of the most crucial actions when trying to leave a positive impression? It's true. When you smile, it not only indicates happiness and confidence, but also uplifts the other person's mood. Making eye contact is equally significant. It demonstrates your interest and attentiveness without appearing creepy or intrusive. So, the next time you encounter your crush, try smiling and confidently engage in eye contact with them. Number 13. Do you enjoy talking about yourself? People tend to love discussing themselves, and your crush is no exception. Listening attentively can be a great way to make a good impression. Try asking them about their preferences, hobbies, or aspirations. By showing genuine interest, you can learn more about them and let them know you care. If you feel comfortable, share some of your own interests or stories. Just make sure to balance the conversation by allowing them to share too. Check out the outstanding video currently on the screen. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe.